You've found yourself at part 4 of my Kitbashed Accursed Cultist series. Welcome. I thought it might be fun to dig up one of the leftover Catachan jungle fighters I used for regular Nurgle cultists a couple years back, which is a video you can also go watch if you want to. I thought he was posed a little too far forward, so I chop blocked him right behind the knee, and then I glued him tilted back a bit more. I did buy the official Accursed Cultist kit, so maybe I should harvest some bits from it. Despite what it probably looks like from an outsider perspective, I'm not just collecting plastic. So I glued on some arms and some extra fleshy, spiky pieces. It's not the most creative look, but it works. The head is a bit oversized, but I like that it kind of lends to the transformation aspect of an Accursed Cultist. Must have got a bit of that Emporio face growth hormone. The head is from the same model I used for the torso on Cultist number 2. He also looks like he's hitting the thriller a little bit. I need to fill time, and I'll never get to share this anywhere else, so speaking of thriller, TeknoAXE released a double album called Killer, where the album cover parodies Thriller. It was the first Tech album to be released after I became a fan, which coincided with me getting my driver's license, so I listened to those CDs in the car nonstop. The pre-order bonus track, called Killer, heavily interpolates Thriller, and it rules. Old school hidden gem. You know what? I'm going to link it in the description below. Check it out if you want. So yeah, there's another weird tangent for you. I still like it, but this is definitely the weakest entry of this Accursed Cultist series. Another thing that has kept me from releasing videos is feeling like what I'm doing isn't good enough. Feeling like everything has to be epic. All killer, no filler, if you will, which has never worked for me anyways, so why should I care? But it's still something I struggle with. I mean, feeling like I'm good enough is sort of like a whole life sort of struggle thing, but I mean like for this hobby specifically on YouTube. This isn't a business for me. I've made $0. This is just some random regular dude documenting his hobby. And maybe it's good to set more realistic expectations for what that means. I think what's important is to keep making and to keep moving forward. That being said, I can guarantee things pick up next video because as of this recording, I've already finished Cultist number 7, and I am excited about showing these new guys off. Thanks for sticking with me on this series, and stay tuned because very soon I will be back with, checks notes, part 5